Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are in my dressing room for a little mini makeover. So I turned this room into a full closet dressing room a couple of years ago, probably about a year and a half ago or so, and I love it. But there are a couple of things now that I've lived with it for a while that were just not good decisions and that I feel can be better. So before we get into the makeover, I do want to point out the things that I feel that I made a mistake on and the things that I plan on correcting, and then we'll get into what I'm going to do to correct those things. If this is your first time here, this is an overall view of my closet dressing room area. This actually used to be my son's bedroom, but once he moved out, I took full advantage and decided to use this as a dressing room for me because me and my husband just did not fit in our master bedroom. In our master bedroom closet. So one of the main issues that I have is that when I come in here, I just feel like everything here looks a little messy to me. I want it to be more aesthetically pleasing, so I considered putting up doors, but I ultimately decided against that because as y'all can see, I have drawers here, and in order for those to still be able to be pulled out, I just didn't feel like doors were the move. To fix this issue, I think that I'm going to color coordinate everything. So to me, organizing my clothes by color will make it look more aesthetically pleasing. It'll just look more organized than what it is now. So right now, what I did, I had like shirts and blazers and everything, but I think I'm just gonna everything by color. So if it's a long sleeve shirt or short sleeve shirt or a jacket, if it's white, it just goes together. My second issue in here is this back wall. So this back wall has been empty pretty much the whole time. I've tried different pictures here, but I have not found anything that I have loved. And my other issue with that area is that I now create a lot of short form content, beauty content here from my vanity, and that in the back just doesn't look, it just doesn't look aesthetically pleasing at all. I feel like that can just look so much better, especially now that I'm recording and this is going to be a backdrop for me. So what I've decided to do with this wall is to make it more of a display wall. So I've purchased a couple of shelves from IKEA. I'm going to run a long shelf across the top and then two more shorter ones here so the mirror will still stay there. And we're going to use this wall to display my bags. So as y'all can see, my bags are just all in these little cubbies and some are tucked behind each other. But I feel like I can display them better over here, and they'll be all displayed nicely. And then for this cubby area, now I'll have more room for my larger sweaters and even denim, because I have some of my larger sweaters packed away here. So yeah, this will just give me more space for that. But yeah, I think making this a display wall is going to be the move. Now I am really torn on if I should put up wallpaper and then the shelves just to give it even more interest, but I don't want it to be too busy. And then the very last issue that I have here in the closet is the rug. So when I got the closet, I decided to put in a white rug, and then I found out very quickly that a white rug in a dressing room next to a vanity where I'm doing makeup was not a good idea at all. I have had my eyeshadow spill on more than one occasion, and now I have these ugly spots that they come a little clean, but then they just seem to come right back up. So that is the last thing that I will be doing. I will be changing out the rug, adding a focal wall, and coordinating everything by color. But right now, the decision to make is if I am going to wallpaper this wall. Tell me what y'all think. You know what? Let me go ask y'all on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should, because that's where I'm able to talk to y'all in real time. So let me go ask y'all on Instagram what y'all think I should do with this wall. I am considering a wallpaper, but we'll see. And before we move any further, I just want to take a moment to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Quince. Quince is an affordable luxury brand. And when I say luxury, I mean luxury. They carry an array of fabrics from silk, linen, cashmere, all at affordable prices. And on top of the fabulous fashion finds, you will find some of the most beautiful home decor as well. For my mini closet makeover, I decided to go with this beautiful hand-woven checkered rug. The color, the checkered pattern. It just brings so much interest into the space. I was thrilled when I found it on the website and could not even believe the price. If you are looking for affordable home or fashion decor, check out Quince. They are one of my new favorite vendors, and I'm sure you're going to love everything about them. I will have the rug and this beautiful linen set that I found on their website linked below, so be sure to check the description box. Thank you again to Quince for sponsoring this video. If you all are familiar with Quince, then let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section. If Quince is new to you, then you are welcome because you have just discovered your new favorite affordable luxury brand. Hey y'all, so it's a couple of days later, and the last day I left off, I was asking y'all about what y'all thought about wallpaper in that wall. Well, I got an overwhelming response of yes. So on all social medias, everybody was saying yes, wallpaper the wall. So I am going to be going with a plain wallpaper. Now I know y'all probably can't tell from here, but this color is not white. It is it's more like a taupe. And it's really pretty. It actually has texture on it. And that's going to go on that wall. But with the white shelving on top of here, you all will be able to see the contrast. But that does not mean that we don't get to have any fun, because I did decide that I'm going to wallpaper this wall over here. For that wall, I did find this really pretty botanical print wallpaper that I think is going to go so good, especially with the rug that I've got. So let's get to it. Just wanted to show y'all. Everybody said yes, so I'm sure y'all would say yes too, but a yes to the wallpaper. It's really crazy how different the wallpaper looks up on the wall. Like if you just see the roll, like the rolls almost look like off-white, right? But up there on the wall, it's almost giving like a super light pink. But I'm not mad at it because pink tones are what we're doing in here. All right, y'all, I'm sweating, but we got it up. That took a lot longer than expected, but it is up. Mostly because I messed up and I started overlapping and the pieces weren't straight. So it took a long time, but anyway, I got it right. Or got it the best it's gonna get, because we're gonna have stuff on top of it anyway. So is it perfect? No. But is it doable? Yes. Okay. All right, y'all, back another day. We are still in the closet. I ordered different wallpaper for this wall. I told y'all the other night that I did not like this. Y'all, and just that fast, I have changed my mind. I got that wall up. Everything looks good over there. But this, hate it. Gotta go. Every time I look at it, it's terrible. But I ordered some other wallpaper. I'm waiting for that to come. But while I'm waiting on that, I think I'm going to start going ahead and start color coding the closet. And I just wanted to show y'all the guide that I'm going to be using. Let's see if y'all can see this. This is kind of the order that it should go. It should go like white, ivory, then yellows and golds. So this is the order that I'm going to go for in my closet. If y'all are interested in knowing or seeing like a color coded guide, all I did was go to Pinterest. And on Pinterest, they have plenty of them. So I just took a quick snapshot of that color code, that color bar. So then I'll know like the orders that I want them to go. But yeah, they have all different ones, but they all seem to be kind of the same. They all start, white, end up black. All right, you guys, we are back. It is a couple of days later, and my package came in with my new wallpaper. Now from here, this almost looks like the same color, don't it? It do, but it's not. This is much darker. And just like this other one tricked us. Yeah, now y'all can see. Just like this other one tricked us and it looked so much lighter, and then once we got on the wall it was completely different. Yeah, y'all can see this is much darker, but it's gonna match the rug really pretty. So I'm gonna get busy and get to it. All right, y'all, so the rug is down, and now we are finally about to tackle the main reason for doing this makeover, which is this wall here. We're going to be putting up the shelves, so let's get right to it. All right, y'all, so everything is in place. So now it's time for the fun part. We just get to fill it with all the bags and decorate it how we want it. So the bottom shelves that I got, they are actually picture ledges from IKEA. So the width of the shelf is only about 4 inches, and I knew that. And so I specifically am going to be putting like smaller bags on those shelves. And then the shelves at the top, I can put some of my larger bags. Now, I do realize that all my bags are not going to fit on here, but some of them will. It'll be a nice little display area, and then I'll be able to free up some of these little cubby holes here. So I'm just going to get busy kind of playing around with the colors and the styles that I want on the wall, and then see what we come up with. All right, it's been a couple of weeks, but we finally got it all done, and now it's time for the big reveal. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. All right, y'all, we got it all done. Let me know what you think. Again, I want to give a special shout out to today's sponsor, Quince. If you are looking for anything for your home or affordable luxury clothing, then be sure to check them out. I will have all their information in the description box below. Thank y'all again so much for joining me for this video, and I will see you on the next one.